Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW, and today we're heading up to the BMW gallery to check out their new quick alignment machine. We're going to be doing a short clip video for the gallery so they can advertise that they got this new machine, and they're going to start doing quick alignment checks on customers' vehicles, because as you guys know, with the X1 it's very important to have a good alignment so you're not prematurely wearing tires. So let's go get some coffee first, because it is early in the morning and I haven't had a coffee yet. All right, so we've made it to the BMW gallery. The new quick check alignment machine is all set up, ready to go. Got the service vans all lined up. So we're just going to get the cameras all set up and positioned so that we can film the car coming on, and then we're going to go through the actual alignment check and get some footage for the video. So let's get these cameras set up and we'll go from there. I got the gimbal that's going to follow the car coming in. We got a GoPro set up, and just a quick FYI, this is only a quick alignment machine. So all it's going to do is just, it's doing a really quick check to see if your alignment's like really out to lunch. And then if it's really out to lunch, then they can investigate further, put it up on the rack, and, you know, make sure that you don't have any bent tie rod arms or, you know, anything major going on with the car, and they can get it in there and checked right away. If it passes, then they won't have to investigate that any further, or get under your car and check for or do a proper alignment, which you should still do a proper alignment every year. We've discussed this in the springtime. Just bring it in, book your car in for a quick alignment, do it with an oil change, get it all done at once. And this machine will work on more than just BMWs. So come by, have a quick check, you know, come check it out. Come look at some of the new BMWs. You might just be enticed to pick yourself one up. Okay, there you go, guys. Quick, simple, and effective. Just if you're actually looking at the board, you'll see that some of them are red and just, let's see if I can get rid of that glare. You can see some of those tires are like, it makes it look like they're totally trashed. And what's happening is these have cameras and lasers inside, which I just showed you guys. What's happening is the actual snow and mud and stuff is impacted in the tire, so that the lasers and the cameras taking the pictures and doing all the readings, it's giving a false representation because the treads are just full of crap. Again, this is just a quick check to see if there's anything that they need to go forward with. Do investigation of, are the tires wearing properly? Looking for severe wearing, severe alignment problem, big problems. Come by, check out the BMW gallery, come check out some new cars, get an oil change, get your regular maintenance done here. They'll work on all types of vehicles. Oh, someone getting pulled over. Guaranteed speeding. It is only 60 along this road, which nobody does, but let's head home and get some other stuff to do. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Short, sweet, but quick alignment check. If you're driving around in the city, you hit a pothole and you feel like something's off or your car's pulling funny, stop by the BMW gallery, have a quick alignment check done. It takes literally minutes. Like, it's super fast to do. So stop by, let them do a quick alignment check, and then make sure everything's okay. It's for your safety. You don't want something to go wrong. You don't want to be traveling on the highway and, you know, something happen and you hit the ditch or anything. But like that, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.